Kaspa just listed in ByBit, and guys, more adoption is happening. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to speak for what's happening in the last couple hours in Kaspa, because we have seen very great news. Kaspa just listed in ByBit. It was the crowdfund for the top tier exchange that we analyzed before a couple days. It was the ByBit eventually, and guys, my prediction was correct. I told you lots of probabilities went to ByBit because we saw some rumors, and also a guy from which was working in ByBit, he was actually witness in a tweet that the exchange is going to be the ByBit. That's why I told you that I give more probabilities to see ByBit. And also, guys, the last couple hours we saw an incredible adoption from YouTubers, crypto YouTubers, big YouTubers start observing Kaspa and investigate Kaspa, and that's very great, guys, because we are about to break the 1 billion market cap very soon. So on this video we are about to speak and analyze all of these things, and if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever that we are going to share in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And also, if you're guys Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa investor, or Kaspa holder, I suggest you and I recommend you to follow my channel, because here you are going to see everyday Kaspa videos, and I'm gonna educate you and also update you with the news, the latest news of the Kaspa. So it's gonna be so beneficial. And do not forget also to check my Patreon group, because here you are going to find my private Telegram community where you're gonna have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything of that group. I'm gonna be there for you to reply that as fast as possible. Also, we have multimillionaires and also some guys with very high knowledge in the crypto space. So all together we are helping each other, and we are working like a team and family. Also, you're gonna have access to my crypto portfolio. You're going to see exactly what I'm holding and how I handle my crypto portfolio in real time, and also in real time that you're going to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and also sell signals. So if you're interested to build connections, to have more fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. So without losing more time, let's get straight into the video and start about the price, and then we're gonna move into the news. Guys, Kaspa is still under top 50 coins from a market cap side, which is astonishing. We are speaking that Kaspa is in a bull run while we remain in a bear market in the total crypto space, and that's very significant, because when Kaspa gonna dive into a bull run with other cryptos, you're about to see an insane explosion. And as you know, guys, I'm expecting 200 billion for the Kaspa bull run of 2025, and that's not something crazy that most people believe. It's very realistic to happen, and I have explained in my previous videos why 200 billion market cap for a project like Kaspa isn't a big deal, especially in a bull run of 2025, which we estimate that we are about to see approximately 10 trillion coming into the space at the peak of the bull run, which is insane. Okay, we're about to see lots of money flowing into the space, and the reason of that is because crypto space has some adoption. Okay, recently we saw some adoption, and also the economy goes from bad to worse, and that's very positive for the crypto adoption. Okay, so as I told you, Kaspa right now is ranked 48, market cap is 900 million, and very soon we are about to see Kaspa at 1 billion. And in the next coming months, I'm expecting to see Kaspa at 2 to 3 billion, even in the bear market, with furthermore adoption. The total supply is very close to touch 20 billion. We have a reward reduction in 2 days, if I don't do any mistake. I'm gonna check that later. I'm gonna update you tomorrow for that. And also, we are starting at 0.045 cents. From a price perspective, guys, we are moving like in a bull flag here. So we will see how we're gonna react, if we're gonna actually see any reversal, or we are about to see a continuation to 5 cents or 0.055 cents. I explained you this scenario in my yesterday video, that we have a probability even to see from that point a pullback, or either to see furthermore pump to the upside at level 5 cents or 0.055 cents, and then we're about to see the health correction before actually continue even higher. That's from the price. And guys, let's move to the news. I would like to start with a ByBit. You can clearly see before a couple hours, ByBit announced the listing of Kaspa. You can clearly see a new CAS USDT contract. You can only buy Kaspa in futures, okay, only with leverage, but very, very soon you're about to see Kaspa in spot trading. So it was a very big move. Okay, lots of people actually, and specifically the traders, trading in ByBit. So that's going to open more opportunity to see some volume in the Kaspa, because right now, after all this exposure of Kaspa, we are about to see lots of traders coming into the Kaspa and start trading and pumping or dumping the price. Whatever is going to happen, it's good, okay, because we're gonna have some flow. That's gonna mean more adoption. Okay, we have just opened more doors for the people either to investigate Kaspa or either to play out with Kaspa and bring some volume in the charts. But for me personally, guys, because here you're about to see that you can actually trade Kaspa with 25x leverage, which is insane big, I suggest you and I recommend you that avoid the trade and avoid the leverage, because it's very risky to completely wreck out and lose your Kaspa. Instead of use this Kaspa amount and buy and accumulate as many Kaspa coins as possible, because trading is only for very, 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 very experienced and professional traders. At that time, at specific this point of a Kaspa that is starting, it's not the best thing to start learning about trading. Okay, if Kaspa gonna get to $10, then you can use the 1% of your portfolio to start learning how to trade Kaspa or whatever cryptocurrency of your choice. But especially of a price under 1 billion, it's not the best thing to start learning about trading, because to be a professional trader, you need to lose lots of money. Okay, you need to have lots of experience and big persistence. It's not ideal at this moment when you have a project which is like the next Bitcoin, which can do 100x, 200x, and etc. Okay, I recommend you to be more conservative as an investor and try later to become a trader if you would like to become a trader. Anyway, I don't recommend it at that specific moment. Okay, so anyway, let's move to the news and close the video, because this video was more like update. Guys, we saw lately, the last couple hours, lots of crypto YouTubers with big amount of followers, like the Crypto Bender, the financial friend, which has a big YouTube channel, and also, as you know, the Ben Armstrong actually start publishing and speaking in public for Kaspa, and that's very, very big move, because as more YouTubers coming into the space, this is something that can bring massive adoption, can open more doors for more exchanges to come in earlier than it's supposed, and that's gonna bring even more adoption. So we saw actually the Crypto Bender.
This is a token with an insane community. It's also not vaporware. It's from a technological point of view. This certainly isn't vaporware. In fact, here we go. So it's now broken out of this range, and now it's
and etc. Okay, you can go and watch the clip by yourself. The Crypto Bender is a big channel. You can clearly see 643,000 subscribers. He's super huge. That's very positive that he was actually spoke for Kaspa with positive words. But personally, I don't care. Whatever exposure is good for exposure, because all you need, guys, is to research by yourself for Kaspa. Do not rely to anyone. Okay, I suggest you to anyone who's new here to dedicate 4 to 5 hours to deep dive into Kaspa, learn exactly why it is superior than the rest of cryptos and why even better and more useful than Bitcoin. You need to learn these things by yourself to be more confident with your investment. Okay, because if you don't understand your investment, you're gonna have more anxiety into this type of investment, because you just listen Crypto Bender or Crypto Chris or BitBoy or whatever. Okay, you need to do your investigation by yourself, to do your research by yourself, and then you're gonna realize that Kaspa Is even more safe than Ethereum, than Cardano, and other very top level cryptos. Also, we had the financial friend who actually bought some Kaspa. You can clearly see just bought my first Kaspa tokens, and actually here I would like to correct that it's coins, it's not tokens. Okay, it's not tokens, it's coins, Kaspa coins. Tokens is actually when a project lands over another network. For example, the Gala Games had lands in Ethereum network. That's why we are speaking for Gala tokens. Kaspa is coin, okay, because it has its own network. So also very big YouTuber, you can clearly see 235,000 subscribers channel. He also bought Kaspa, he made that public, and also he about to create a video and speak for Kaspa, which is incredibly bullish. Okay, we are about to see furthermore exposure in Kaspa, and obviously we have the BitBoy, who in the last 2-3 videos he spoke for Kaspa, and that's very bullish, because also this guy has above 1 million or 2 million, I don't remember well, subscribers. So guys, we started from the bottom and we are raising to the top. I have gave signal when we broke my first signal of Kaspa in my Patreon group, where was when we broke this massive downtrend resistant. I have learned Kaspa when it was actually at those levels. I saw a downtrend movement. I was investigate very deep in Kaspa. What is Kaspa, why it's superior, and all of these things. And I was observing all this type of dip, and I was watching when it's gonna actually break the resistance to jump in. Okay, my first bag was on this signal when we broke this massive downtrend resistance and we bounced very hard, and also we bounced 2 times. This was the second time that we bounced from the 200 daily moving average, and that's why actually I bought here very big amount of Kaspa coins. And also the second signal, it was after this insane rally that we retested this massive Fibonacci level resistance. We went back to the Fibonacci level support, which was a retracement, and then I bought again because also it was the support of this upturn movement. And I'm waiting my third signal, and I'm gonna give that buy signal in my Patreon group. So that's why it's important, if you're interested to buy, the perfect time to join my Patreon group, guys. You're about to see where I'm buying big amounts of Kaspa, because in a regular days I'm buying every day. Okay, I'm buying small amounts, but in my buy signals I buy very heavily, because these signals may be the last one. Okay, maybe the last correction that we are about to see, it's gonna be the last one. So it is what it is. And that's the video. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Thank you so much for your support, guys. It means a lot to me. And I'm gonna see you in my next videos. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.